koutou. Ko Annika talking where. My name is Annika.
And Maureen Winton School. Ko Aho. I'm Ine.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 10th of September. Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki.
This week's phrase is Tohatoha.
Tohatoha means sharing or to share.
Right on to health and safety news.
If the signs are out, make sure you look about. The grass is muddy. We don't want you, grubby.
On to today's notices.
There is gymnastics on in the hall at morning tea. If you were in the Flexi Twisters and the Flipping 5, it's your turn for practice. You're doing your dances this week, so you all need to be there.
There is no band at lunchtime today because of WGT.
WGT continues today with the second round of Year 5 and 6 heats. All performers to be in the hall at 12:30 ready with your lunch. Year 7s and 8s are performing tomorrow. Make sure Mr. W has your music. All video entries need to be in the office by tomorrow.
There are no pals this week due to the New Zealand Clean-Up Week and Herald.
This week is Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori Language Week. This week, if a duty teacher hears you using Te Reo in the playground, they will give you a green card.
Write your name and room number on your card and put it in the box in the library to go into the drawer to win a prize at the end of the week. Can Miss Davis's mini ball team meet at playtime at the basketball courts? On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Holly in room 3. Don't forget to swing by the office and collect your birthday card from Dede.
If you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team.
See you tomorrow, Winton School.